Welcome to your Summit Pure Timing System. I'm Chris Close from Summit, and I'm going to cover off how the Summit Pure Timing System works and how you can get the best out of it. DriveThru in the QSR industry consists of more than half the total sales. In today's training, we'll be looking at how the Summit Pure Timing System works and how the information displayed can help with delivering an outstanding drive-thru experience. Today we'll be looking at the information displayed and how to interpret it to run a better shift and what the audio tones mean to you. The Summit Timer is designed to enable you to understand how the drive-thru is progressing and to aid the decision-making processes for the shift managers. These decisions are aimed at delivering an excellent customer experience. The Summit system is made up of specific points that indicate how the drive-thru is performing in each and every stage of the customer experience. Specific goals and targets are set with the live results displayed in areas like your drive-thru window, your production area, and now even on your tablet and smartphone. These goals are indicated through the use of colour, percentage, and audio tones. These are designed to make decision-making easier and more effective. Further to the training, we'll be looking at some key tips to ensure that your customers get the best possible service experience through your drive-thru. The Summit Pure Timing System offers world-leading technology and functions that enables drive-thru operations to reach their potential. The intelligently designed images match the layout and actual activity of the drive-thru. This system provides as-it-happens data and interactions to make decisions easier and more effective. This is a game changer for operations and engagement. It shows in detail how long cars are at each point. The system can also track areas like your waiting bays, providing further tools for operations improvement. The system, through the use of colour, movement and audio tones, appeals to the senses of shift managers and crew, which creates an environment of operational excellence. Alongside the advanced Pure Timing System is the Summit Dynamic Ranking System. This system displays live, as-it-happens results of other drive-thru operations, so you can see how other restaurants are performing, creating a healthy environment of competition. This in itself is revolutionising drive-thru operations and culture. Restaurant teams compete to be on top of the dynamic ranking screen, which in itself drives operational improvement and speed to the customer. This ranking system is designed to accommodate operations across the world, with the ability to pull any country across the globe live into the one screen. What's even more exciting is that the information is available at the touch of your fingers. The Summit reporting platform is also world-leading, with access to your reports and live timer via a tablet or smartphone application. For example, you can simply download from the iTunes store your iPhone or iPad app. Not only can you access the reports from the restaurant, but you can do so from all corners of the globe. This functionality is changing how operators manage multi-site operations. The Summit COD is designed in Australia to cope with the harsh conditions that span across the nation, from the heat to the freezing temperatures. This system is controlled by the Summit Pure Timing System, enabling excellent content control, remote serviceability, and even the ability to change language and images from locations around the world. CODs have the ability to significantly enhance order accuracy and build on sales through subliminal marketing. The unique software that the Summit Innovations COD holds enables brands to update content, change register language to a customer-friendly language, and even enable it to suggest add-on items when particular items have been ordered. For example, if you order a standard burger, the system can display a drink or side options. If your customer orders a complete meal, then complimentary add-ons will be displayed. As you can see on the screen, there is a digital image of the drive-thru lane. This shows at what stage each car is at through the service times and through the use of colours. You can see the cartoon image of the car progressing through the lane along with how long they spend at each contact point. The cars are green in colour if they are in the lane for less than the target time. Then, should they exceed this target, they change colour from orange to red. Once a car exceeds the total target time, an audio tone sounds. This is alerting you that the car has exceeded the total target time. Each contact point in the drive-thru is individually timed, and the results are both displayed live and recorded. As you can see in the drive-thru lane, each point is titled and has a timer associated with it. For example, the cashier window is labelled, and below the timer it is indicating how long the car has been at this point. The colour of the timer will start off green, but will change after the total goal has been exceeded. This is the same for the pickup window. Each car has a target time for this point. Once the car exceeds this time, the colour will change from red and a pickup audio tone will sound. This tone has been designed to attract attention to the delays at this point. The pickup window is a critical stage for the service experience. The day part information dash shows the results so far for the day part in forms of average times and goal match percentages. For example, you have the COD, and in brackets there is a green number. This number is the target time or goal for this contact point. In this case it's 30 seconds. The results alongside show what you have achieved so far for the day part. The first section is the average time achieved so far for the day part. The colour of this information will depend on if you are within the target time. For example, if the number is green, this means that you are at or below the target. The following section is the percentages of cars that have been served in under the target time for this particular day part. So for example, should it say 70%, this means that 70% of the customers served so far for the day part have been served in under the target time. This panel is designed to indicate what day part you're currently in and the local time. This box is designed to display the exact amount of cars that are currently in the lane and the time of the longest cars that are in the lane at this point. Keep in mind that for dual lane restaurants, the longest time may not be the car at the front of the line.